One thing that people like to do when they make colloidal silver is target a specific ppm or concentration. Now, if you want to target a specific ppm or concentration, you won't be able to test it with a TDS meter. And the reason for this is that real colloids don't have enough conductivity to read on a TDS meter. If you're reading something with a ppm gauge or some such similar device, you're not actually reading the ppm of colloidal silver. You're reading the ppm of ionic silver. Now, if you want to actually gauge a specific ppm off your colloidal silver, you're going to have to send it into some kind of a lab to get it tested. Obviously, if you have the ability at home to be able to do some lab testing, that's another thing entirely. But you're going to need to be able to basically take a sample and measure an extremely small amount of silver relative to your water to gauge ppm. And that's actually extremely difficult at home. But if you have actual lab equipment, that's a different story. But the rule of thumb, if you want to target a ppm, is that 3/4 of an inch of the silver that we provide, which is 3/32 of an inch wide and 28 gauge thick, gets you roughly 20 to 40 ppm. So if you let that amount fully dissolve in your silver, which should take about 48 hours, you'll get between 20 and 40 ppm. So if you want to increase your ppm, then you'll want more silver. So an inch and a half will get you 40 to 80 ppm, and a 1/4 inch will get you roughly 7 to 13 ppm. All you have to do is submerge exactly that amount in your water and let it cook.